Hi everyone. Today we are going to clear our certification maintenance exam like platform developer one. So we can clear that. Okay. For for that you need to log in your Thailand account. So after that you have to check your maintenance exam. So let's say I'm going to take platform developer one certification maintenance exam. Yeah. So this is the platform developer one certification exam maintenance. So hit on this button. So you will get this certification link here. So hit on this one. Okay. So now we can move this back to okay. So this is the certification platform developer certification maintenance. So once you come down here, here's the code and coming to below, what was the challenge for this year? Okay. So this is the challenge. Use the getInstance method to retrieve the custom metadata and what you like create a apex. Okay, so create a new apex class and name is a country code helper and okay, use the get instance method return custom metadata. Okay, for this we need to create metadata. He is provided some metadata here like country code. You can take this as a country code, copy and launch your arc. Okay, so arc has been launched. Now have to go with here metadata. So here metadata, type metadata, so custom metadata. So here new custom metadata type. So paste it here, country code, and that the country code should be the plural name, country codes, and just say and anything like yeah. So we need to create a metadata field called data type as a text and you can take as a country code the field label. Go to R. Okay, so custom fields. So type as a text and next. Hmm, sorry. So here we need to provide country code and length should be the 3, right? Length is by the length should be the 3. Okay. So now we created next and save. Okay. So now we created custom code as the object and under that we created custom field as custom code. Now what else we need to do? Enter a country code. Enter a country code. Okay. Like we need to create custom metadata card type. I mean records. So go to custom metadata type and whatever we created like manage records. So here we need to create that country label as a Canada and country code should be the CA. Okay, CA done. Okay. So what else we need to do now? We have to create this country code helper class. Just copy this name and go to developer console. Sorry, go to developer console here. So now I'm going to create one class, Apex class in the name of for country code helper created. Okay, so now we need to copy paste this entire code. console. Okay, so just replace this code and just hit on the save button. Okay, this code has been saved. So now we need to update, like you will update the code, use new get instant method. For this we need to pass here. For that we have to go with the developer console and we need to open the class and we need to replace with get instant method. For that purpose you have to do something. So like we need to remove get instance. So let's say, let me 1 minute. From limit onwards, just we need to replace from here to here, this one. Just replace this, just remove. Okay. So next in equal to we have to uh, create metadata code and we need to pass the get instant method like country code here and we need to uh, pass that get instant method. So you can say here dot and so here provided some get instant method, copy and paste it here, get instant method, and we need to pass this country here, copy and country. That's it. Close and we need to remove this one as well. Okay, let's try to save. Okay, got save. So now we created a country code helper and instead of that we created guest instant and we are passing this country here. So now we go to back. So instead of these things we created the guest instant method and we deposit that guest instant method into the country. So this is the line for that passing the country number. So now let's try to execute our challenge. So now we need to verify this challenge. So hit on this button, verify the challenge. Most probably it will take 30 seconds to 1 minute to verify. We'll see how much time it will take. Yes. Now platform developer 1 maintenance winter 22 to maintenance winter 22 has been successfully completed. This is the way you people have been completed this platform developer 1 maintenance. Thank you everyone.